Why is my HVAC system not blowing enough air? The most common reason your HVAC system is not blowing enough air is a dirty air filter that is blocking airflow, though blocked vents, a failing blower motor, or leaky ductwork can also be the cause. Think of your HVAC system like your lungs trying to breathe through a straw stuffed with cotton balls. When the air filter gets clogged with dust and pet hair, the blower motor has to work so much harder to push air through, and that struggle means less air actually makes it out of your vents. Something a lot of people do not know is that closing vents in rooms you do not use does not save energy. It actually builds up pressure inside the ductwork and can crack seams or damage the blower motor over time. Another hidden culprit is dirty evaporator coils inside the indoor unit, because when dust builds up on those coils, ice can form on them, and that ice literally blocks airflow just like a clogged straw. If your ductwork was sized wrong when it was installed, even a perfectly clean system will struggle to push enough air through rooms that are far from the unit. Checking your filter once a month and replacing it every 1 to 3 months is one of the simplest ways to keep air flowing strong through your whole home. One big mistake people make is assuming a bigger or thicker air filter automatically means better filtration. But a filter that is too restrictive for your system can actually choke off airflow just as much as a dirty one, so always match the filter type to what your manufacturer recommends. Another common misconception is blaming the thermostat when airflow feels weak, when really the problem almost always sits inside the ductwork or the blower motor itself, so get eyes on the actual equipment before replacing anything electronic. People also forget that furniture and rugs placed directly over vents or returns can silently choke off airflow throughout the whole house, so walking through your home and clearing every vent is a free fix that takes just a few minutes. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app JobIt tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.